Hey, what's up everybody? We've got a doozy for you guys today. The images that you guys are seeing right now were sent in to us by a source named Walter C. Lenz of El Paso, Texas, who thankfully snapped the images that you're now looking at of what can only be described as a massive three-dimensional cube-shaped UFO, which in the very first image can be seen almost shooting out at a pretty fair rate of speed out of what looks like a massive black hole type portal, or opening up within the sky and surrounding clouds. The source states that this black portal or hole in the clouds appeared within a matter of seconds, which is initially what caught his eye and made him do a double take at the clouds as he left his office of employment for lunch at around 1 p.m. noon in El Paso. He said that it began to get very windy out, and he noticed a small portion of clouds begin to swirl and circle in on one another, forming this portal shape, at which point the center of the clouds became jet black. Now this is when the source decided to hurry up and pull out his phone for a picture, and at this point the source had not seen any UFOs and had simply wanted to image these anomalous cloud formations. But just as he snapped the first image, this massive looking cube-shaped UFO is caught on photograph, jetting out of this dark black wormhole looking manifestation and making its presence known. The source observed the craft, or entity, whatever this thing could be. He watched it move at a steady pace through the cloud cover, disappearing into the clouds and for a few short moments breaking back out once again, to mystify all those who might be gazing up from below from the events that are transpiring. Walter was able to snap about 7 more images in attempts to catch the object on its exit from one cloud to another, out of which he successfully caught 2 more images of the actual object being visible, or partially visible, just as it starts to come out of a break in the clouds, which you can see in this second image here. Now, I am personally at a loss for words when it comes to this UFO sighting, because this thing is mind-blowing. And not only do we not know what it is it a craft? Is it an entity from another dimension? Is it a probe sent here by a higher intelligence in another galaxy? Questions like these that come up from amazing UFO sightings caught on camera like this are why we do what we do. But not only do we have these three-dimensional cubes in these images, that, by the way, after some analysis, has what look to be intricate designs spanning its entire surface, but also the fact that in this sighting, and not hardly found in many others, is evidence of a portal, or a dimensional wormhole that gives us data and evidence as to how these alien craft move around, how they get here from wherever they came from. The very fact that this UFO arrived by jumping through a suddenly appearing black hole in the sky leads us to believe that this isn't man-made. Sorry guys, I know a few of you refuse to believe that any UFO isn't man-made, but I think we can safely rule out some army grunt punched behind the wheel of this thing. No, this thing looks far beyond our understanding. The third image that was taken, which you can see now, that is by far the best of the 3 images probably, because it captures this craft in its entirety. For the few brief moments that it came out of the cloud and was freely moving quietly through the air as our source watched in disbelief, before finally disappearing back into the clouds, never to be seen again. Well, not by this source at least, but do stay tuned because we have a second source who is about a mile down the road who also captured an image of this thing as it came towards her. And in a new email sent in to us while we were in the middle of researching this first sighting, a woman also from El Paso had captured an image of what she called a giant square ship of some kind. When we read this, alarm bells immediately went off, as you can imagine, and we knew that this was the same craft, now corroborated by 2 independent sources. The woman states that she was returning to an office complex where she works as an accountant for a local business, and as she got out of her vehicle, she noticed a square-shaped figure moving through the clouds, and at first glance she thought it was a balloon. As the dark object continued moving through the clouds, the detailing of the craft became much more visible, and in her own words, it became evident that whatever this thing was, it was not a small balloon, but a giant, solid thing. With designs around it and a faint magnetic oscillation type humming that seems to emulate from the craft as it came into view, according to this source, and then became faint as it headed back into the clouds and out of sight. Now this source here was able to snap one image, which she was lucky enough to get in the first place because this thing was moving through the clouds, it wasn't stopping, and she pulled out her phone and was able to snap a picture just in time as this craft was heading back into the clouds. And we have analyzed all of these images and brought out the detail of this extraordinary UFO for you guys to see here. This is not the first time that these giant, square, UFO-type ships have been seen, and in fact, these craft, wherever they come from, many of them will cloak themselves among the clouds, or as clouds themselves. If you were an alien species, and you wanted to surveil the surface of Earth, what would be one of the easiest places to hide your giant vehicles right in plain sight? The clouds. Another advantage of using the clouds for cover for these types of unknown craft is basically the fact that no one would believe you if you ran up and told them what you saw, because you'd simply be laughed at and pegged as someone who just saw an odd shape in the clouds and it was all in their head. But thankfully, we live in the age of technology and can have images and footage like this that our sources can hold high and can let the evidence speak for itself. This is a black, sharp-edged, three-dimensional cube-shaped craft with intricate designs that look almost laser chiseled into its dark surface. The surface of which looks as if it's made from some sort of black metallic or lead type material, possibly nanotech of some sort or carbon fiber, we just don't know. It could be some sort of rare element that has yet to been discovered on Earth, but that has been seen and found in other UFO wreckage in the past, and is, as we are speaking now, only brought up and talked about in a theoretical setting. So, once again, these are very interesting times, and you can bet that Secure Team is going to be right here documenting all of it and getting it out to you guys. So if you have your own UFO footage or information regarding the alien phenomenon, or maybe something that you just don't understand and you want to get out there to the public, let us know. You'll be credited for it. Send it in to us and shoot us an email. You can find all of our contact information down in the video description, as well as our Twitter, where we also post all of our new videos and other new discoveries and awesome tidbits of information. And if you enjoy our work, be sure to like it and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys back soon with more amazing captures like this and breaking news leaks on the alien phenomenon and those trying to cover it up. So thank you all for stopping by, and we'll see you next time. Stay safe, guys.